Hello dear viewers, welcome to the Crypto Oracle channel, your trusted source of news from the world of cryptocurrency. Today we have the hottest news on the agenda, Bitcoin price and everything related to it. Let's not waste time and get to the announcement. Today we're going to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin and why its price stability may be in jeopardy. We will look at the problems with Silvergate Bank and find out what implications this may have for the crypto world as a whole. We will also talk about how this will affect other cryptocurrencies, particularly Ethereum. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. Bitcoin recently surpassed the $22,500 mark, but then dipped slightly toward the $22,400 mark and continues to trade in the narrow range seen on Thursday. At the time, traders liquidated $78 million worth of positions because of concerns about Silvergate Bank. Silvergate, based in California, said last week that recent events, including the collapse of the FTX exchange and subsequent regulatory action, had raised questions about the bank's ability to continue operating under current conditions. As a result, several companies, including Coinbase and Paxos, ended their relationship with the bank, and Silvergate shares fell 6.2%. Some experts predict that Silvergate Bank could face serious problems if the cryptocurrency market shrinks. The first cryptocurrency bull market that attracted the participation of institutional investors ended not long ago, and many are still not ready for a sharp decline in prices, said Shiraz Ahmed, managing partner at consulting firm Storm Partners. The likelihood of a cryptocurrency market decline in the face of new liquidity crises is increasing, he said. The first cryptocurrency bull market that attracted institutional participation ended not too long ago, and many of them still had to prepare for a sharp market decline, Ahmed said. Unfortunately, those who didn't are paying the price. Despite this, the cryptocurrency industry is not standing still. The other day, Silvergate Capital shut down its Silvergate Exchange network platform, which provided an instant payment and exchange service for cryptocurrency to fiat money between investors and exchanges. In an interview with CoinDesk TV's First Mover on Monday, Andy Rashwan, head of crypto investment company 21 Co., said that the closure of the Silvergate Exchange network platform had no significant impact on the Bitcoin price. Eric Chen, CEO and co-founder of decentralized financial services, DeFi, protocol injected, stressed in an email to CoinDesk that it is important to monitor whether exchanges that previously used the same service can seamlessly integrate new payment partners to ensure continuity of settlement speed and volume. It's important to remember that there must be properly capitalized and managed exchanges that can weather this storm with minimal disruption to their operations, he added. Overall, according to a report from crypto data firm Kaiko, the market is currently bearish, as evidenced by the negative funding rates for BTC and Ether over the past week. Despite the slight drop, the cryptocurrency market remains stable, which shows its stability. The situation with Silvergate Capital is still unclear, and further developments may be influenced by various factors, including further behavior of institutional investors in the cryptocurrency market and further regulatory response to the situation. Despite some uncertainty surrounding Silvergate, some analysts continue to express optimism about the prospects of the cryptocurrency market as a whole. For example, Kevin Sheen, CEO of cryptocurrency trading platform Crypto.com, recently said he expects cryptocurrency prices to continue to rise in the coming months. We continue to see very high demand for cryptocurrencies from institutional investors and wealthy individuals, Sheen said in an interview with CoinDesk. I think we're going to see this trend continue in the near future as more and more people begin to realize the potential of cryptocurrencies as an asset for inflation protection and portfolio diversification. Moreover, the recent interest and adoption of cryptocurrencies by major companies such as Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square indicate that the market is becoming more mainstream and accepted. This, in turn, could lead to more institutional investors entering the market, further driving up demand and prices. Despite the potential for growth, however, the cryptocurrency market remains volatile and subject to regulatory scrutiny. As such, it is important for investors to do their due diligence and carefully consider the risks involved before investing in cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, while the situation with Silvergate Bank may cause some temporary disruptions in the cryptocurrency market, many experts remain optimistic about the long-term prospects of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. As always, it is important to stay informed and keep up to date with the latest developments in this rapidly evolving industry.